Go to the Exam Schedule option from the Exam module. Then click on the Add an Exam Schedule button from the top left corner. Note that you must add an exam in the Exam option before adding the schedule. Select a specific class, exam that you have created already, and select a section, then select subject, date, and time. Also, give the room number of the exam hall. Then finally, click on the Add Exam Schedule button and save the schedule. The schedule will be added if there are no validation errors found. To see the new exam schedule, go to the list page and select that particular class from the top right corner. The exam schedule list will appear here.